Dear passengers, due to construction work, the line U2 will only operate between Seestadt and Praterstern until May the 30th. On May the 30th, the U2 will stop operating at 7 a.m.
People sometimes live in under a rock, and you can see this guy here is trying to inform people that this way is actually not working anymore. Shows that it's not going to Karlsplatz, also not to Seestadt, and there is already a blockage on this side, so the people on the other side, the Wien Linie staff from the other side are trying to just redirect people and just make sure that they know what exactly is going on. Hallo ihr Lieben und herzlich willkommen bei Living in Vienna, where we spotlight everything that's going on here in Vienna. In this moment I'm here in Schottenring in the side of U2, and I just wanted to share with you what's going on. Right now the U2 going to Karlsplatz has been stopped because of some works that are going on here in for the U5 tram line, metro line. So the U2 has been stopped, and as you can see, let me just turn the camera. As you can see, the traffic has been redirected. So there is a U2Z, which is a tram or a street train that is been used to replace the metro, and so yeah, you will find that most people are only going to use this path right now only to just connect to the Viennese, because now this is not working anymore. And then there is also people from the city of Vienna that are trying just to remind people, because sometimes people just don't people sometimes live in under a rock, and you can see this guy here is trying to inform people that this way is actually not working anymore. So I really hope you can hear me, because I don't have a microphone right now. But I'm just going to walk down. This is U2, the Schottenring side of U2. You can see from there's a lot of information, and for a couple of days, so you can see this is cancelled already. Shows that it's not going to Karlsplatz, also not to Seestadt, and there is already a blockage on this side because for some reason, yeah, you can see this guy is trying to explain and redirect people at the end of that tunnel. So what's going on right now, you probably already know this, but what's happening right now is that most of the stuff have been changed. So you can see that from Schottenring, is it from Schottenring here? There is a U2Z that will take you all the way to Karlsplatz. I think you can also go to Prater with that, and there is also a lot of information that's supposed to guide people as to how the new route is happening. So as you can see here, let's just go close. The purple one here is U2, so it was going all the way to Seestadt, and so in this moment I'm here. So you can see there's a U2Z that can take you all the way to Karlsplatz. And I think I saw that it's also going to Praterstern. Yeah. So all these have, you're able to make all these changes. And this is happening from 31st of May to 2023 Herbst. What is Herbst? Herbst is what? Okay, I think I know it, I just forgot. So let's see the bigger one here. This is Karlsplatz. So this one is closed. I'm trying to see where is a U5 in this map. Can you see U5? I cannot see it. Like where it's gonna be going. So reduced
Liebe Fahrgäste, wegen Bauarbeiten verbiegen 2 bis 30. Mai zwischen Seestadt und Praterstern. Am Sonntag, 30. Mai, nimmt die gesamte Linie U2 erst um 7 Uhr den Betrieb auf. Am 31. Mai fährt die U2 nur zwischen Seestadt und Schottenring. Weichen Sie auf die Linie U1, D1, 271, U2Z und U2I auf. Dear passengers, due to construction work, the line U2 will only operate between Seestadt and Praterstern until May the 30th. On May the 30th, the U2 will start operating at 7 a.m. From May the 31st, the line U2 will only operate between Seestadt and Schottenring. Use line U1, D1, 2, 71, U2Z and U2E instead.
Okay, so I just wanted to let you hear that announcement. And I think maybe when you get to this other one, you can be able to have a look at a similar notice like there before. Yeah, so it's closed right now, temporarily closed. And so when it's closed already, they are offering other alternatives for people, but it's a bit of an inconvenience for sure for people here. So I'm just going to show you how it was going before. You probably already know this, but this is how it was going all the way from Karlsplatz to Seestadt. I think for me, U2 is really one of the coolest metro to go on for me. Yeah. So you can see this part is also closed. And so there are always so many people who want to access this, and Gasse through here. So the people on the other side, the Vienna Linie staff from the other side are trying to just redirect people and just make sure that they know what exactly is going on.
Hey, gotta go. Yeah.
So I hope that was helpful and until next video, just wait a second.
Burada da switch'ine inersen Dona'ya gidiyorsun. Dışarı değil mi? Evet, Dona'dır hemen. Burada şöyle takılıyorsun.
Için?
İşte buraya afet mi gidiyor? Geziyorduk ya. Afet mi giderken?
you found that update useful. And until next video, just listen.